What if all the fresh water on Earth suddenly disappeared? No more rivers, no lakes, no underground aquifers, just salty oceans and tears of regret. Freshwater is only 2.5% of all the water on Earth, and most of it is locked in glaciers or underground. We use it for everything: drinking, agriculture, industry, hygiene, even flushing toilets. So what if, one day, it all just vanished? First, people would panic. Big cities would go into survival mode. Water bottles would disappear from store shelves faster than toilet paper in 2020. People would hoard, fight, and flee. Deserts would grow as green landscapes turned brown. Crops would die. Showers? Forget it. Without irrigation, agriculture collapses. Farms can't grow wheat, rice, or vegetables. No water means no food. Animal farms would shut down. Cows, pigs, chickens all rely on fresh water. Supermarkets would turn into empty warehouses. And it's not just food. Factories that make clothes, electronics, and medicine all rely on fresh water. Production would halt. Jobs would vanish. The economy would spiral. Hydropower would be gone too. No fresh water, no dams, no turbines. Cities that depend on rivers for electricity would face blackouts. And let's not forget about nuclear plants. Many use fresh water to cool reactors. Without it, meltdown risk goes up. Yikes. Next, sanitation collapses. No fresh water means no clean toilets, no hand washing, no cleaning. Diseases would spread quickly. Hospitals would overflow, and they too need clean water. Ecosystems would be devastated. Fish in freshwater lakes and rivers would die. Birds that depend on wetlands would vanish. Forests would dry up. And glaciers? They're freshwater too, but once melted into salty seas, they're gone forever. Then there's drinking water. Humans can't survive more than 3 days without it. In wealthy nations, desalination plants would go into overdrive, turning ocean water into drinkable water. But these are expensive and limited. Poorer regions would suffer first and hardest. Mass migration would begin. Climate refugees would head toward remaining water sources or countries with desalination technology. Conflicts over water would erupt. Water would be more valuable than oil. Eventually, humanity would adapt or die. We need to recycle every drop. Toilet water becomes drinking water. Artificial rain. Cloud seeding. Space mining? Maybe. But the world would never be the same. Life without fresh water would be brutal, unsustainable, and desperate. So maybe, don't take your next glass of water for granted.